Hi everybody. So hopefully you can hear me, and again I apologize if there is a weird beeping noise in the background. Hopefully it's not too bad. Maybe you could turn the volume down a little bit and it will make the sound a little bit more bearable. For this week's creative challenge, we are going to be drawing a favorite emoji, okay? So I do realize, and I have my emoji pulled up here, I do realize most emojis are circular. So something I'm going to encourage you to do from home is look for containers or plates that might be circular, and that can help you get started right away just by tracing that circular shape to start your emoji. Okay, that's for maybe your typical smiley face emojis or other things like that. But for my emoji, I wanted to get a little bit festive, seeing as Halloween is right around the corner, and I am going to attempt to draw this ghost emoji, okay? So something that might help you out, just going to your messages on your phone and looking through emojis, or just Googling. Maybe you don't have an iPhone, maybe your emojis look different. You can just Google up different iPhone emojis, and you'll have plenty of options to choose from. So maybe you'll just Google and you'll look at really closely at the image and you will attempt to draw a favorite emoji. So here we go. I am just going to continue looking really closely at my reference image that I have to the side of me on my phone pulled up. And I'm going to try my very best, taking my time to capture the outside lines of the emoji first. So there's the bottom of the ghost, and then he's got little arms in the air. Just trying my best, taking my time, and noticing as many details as I can about this particular emoji, okay? So there's his arms. He's got this awesome face. He has a big smile face, and it's okay if it's not perfectly that exact emoji. I can probably be able to tell what emoji you're trying to draw, just as long as you're getting all those details. Here's his tongue. Okay, there's another line through his tongue. I want to make sure I get all of the details. It's not exactly a perfect tongue shape, but I think it will work. And then he has a small circle eye. And then he has like a gigantic circle eye. So I will try my very best to draw that in. He looks kind of crazy now, but that is pretty much all you will be doing for this week's drawing assignment. Feel free, go back in. You can use either a Sharpie or markers, and you could maybe start to add color. So right now I'll just trace over a little bit. I don't want this tutorial to get too long because I think it's pretty self-explanatory what we're doing for this week, okay? So you are going to pull up an image of a favorite emoji, and you are just going to take your time, try your best, and draw that favorite emoji, okay? Now I'll trace over the whole thing in Sharpie just to make it look a little bit more nice. And then I'm going to add color. So when you look at my teacher example, he will be colored in. I know he's kind of white, but he also has some gray, black, and pink details. So I'm going to go ahead and grab maybe some crayons or colored pencils, and I will color him in. So when you look at my assignment, he'll be in color. But for this tutorial, this is as much as I will show. I'm just going to name him Ghost, and I used pencil and Sharpie. Okay? Don't forget, when you finish your drawing, sign the bottom. You can give it a title or not, but tell me what materials you used so I know it's your original work, okay? Have fun this week with Creative Challenge number 3. Bye, guys.